saw a dog on the street, she thought she was hungry. But the dog was actually trying to tell her something else. So the rescuer followed her and discovered that the dog was a mama to these puppies.
Hi.
It turned out that she wanted the rescuer to help them.
Hi, babies.
The whole family was hungry. But the rescuer could tell they needed more than just food. They had fleas and ticks. And some of the puppies weren't feeling well. The rescuer thought if she could bring them all to her animal shelter, she could help them feel better. With all the puppies in the car, they were almost ready to go. There was just one problem. The mama dog was afraid of cars and wouldn't get in. But these puppies needed help right away. So the rescuer decided to take them to her shelter first, and then come back for their mom later. At the shelter, she gave the puppies medicine and food. And after a little while, the little puppies started to feel better.
Rizzo, sit. Good girl.
Now it was time to go back for their mom. At first, the rescuer couldn't find her anywhere.